Let's suppose that you were able every night to dream any dream you wanted to dream. And you would dig that and come out of that and say, wow, that was a close shave, wasn't it? Then you would get more and more adventurous. You would make further and further out gambles as to what you would dream. Finally, you would dream where you are now.